Hello, have you ever tried washing your clothes with antiseptic liquid detergent before? Why not? If not, and today I will be teaching us how to make and produce our antiseptic liquid detergent that washes very well, it lathers so well, and it smells so nice on your clothes. You just sit back and watch how it is. This is part of the liquid soap which I use for the antiseptic multi-purpose liquid, because you could see that is the clothes I'm using it for. Not just washing of plates, not just washing of your dishes, but washing of clothes. There is need for us to use the antiseptic liquid detergent to prevent germs from our clothes. You just need to sit back and wash and then listen carefully. I'll be telling you what I added to it that make it to be germ-free kind of detergent for your clothes. Please do like it. Click that subscribe button and don't forget to share it. Okay, I hear the ingredient use. Of course, this is what you see here is the sulfonic acid, and then and here is the preservative benzoate, just 10 grams, and I have here caustic soda. It's just about 12 mils, that's 12 gram. Okay, and then I have the booster that I'll be using for it also. These are some of the basic ingredients we know we use, and here is my caustic solution. I've pre-soaked it in the before the production, so that makes it faster. Okay, and then just like I've explained to you, and then here is the sodium chloride, which also help in the thickening of the soap, and also it helps in the transparency of the liquid detergent. And here I have my fragrance. The fragrance of your choice goes with whatever you are you want to do, any type of your grab. But I like lemon. Okay, and then that. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do, because we'll be producing 10 liters of the multi-purpose liquid detergent with this gadget. But there's one thing I want us to do. Okay, so you just pre-soak your ingredients. The benzoate is a preservative agent, and that is if your liquid soap is not much. I'm producing about 10 liters, which I cannot use within a short time, and of course I will not be selling them, so I need a preservative agent to keep my gadget, to keep my liquid soap intact so that it doesn't mess up. Okay, please do like it if you are here to like it, and please do share, let others know about it. Thanks so much to everyone that shares my video, and everyone that subscribes, and everyone that give comment. When you give comment, it shows that okay, you are following me. I will appreciate, and I want to hear your comments. Okay, there is one thing I'm going to tell us here. uh if you have not watched my video on how to prepare your multi-purpose liquid soap, please, you need to watch it so that you can have a very full comprehension about this production. Okay, because I'm just going to scratch it here. I don't want it to be that it's a repeated video. Okay, so here is the water I used, the 10 liters of the water for the production. And when you are using 10 liters, please, there should be extra water. Don't mix up everything at the same time. Take some of your water, keep it aside. Peradventure, your liquid soap is too thick or it's not enough, so you can do a little adjustment. And in most cases, you plan for, with this my ingredient, you plan for 10 liters, and eventually it was more because of the quality of the ingredients used. So what you saw me for was the sulfonic. Please, I'll be dropping the link for the full video of this production. Okay, So this was the result of the production. This is how it came out. You can see it. You can look at it. This is how it eventually came out. And that was what I used for the cloth. Actually, what I used for the cloth. You saw how it lathered so well. And so now, how do we make it to be antiseptic now? Yes, this is the full production. So out of this one, I scoop some, and then I have to add the secret ingredient that make it antiseptic, that helps to fight against germs on your clothes. It helps to kill the possible germs, you entering balls among the public, you have touched each other, the kind of places you have been. There are some germs that smell, that rest on your cloth. So when you use this kind of soap, that is what I add to it, and that makes it special. Okay, what I have here just about 2.5 liters of the multipurpose liquid soap, and then I added about 20 mils of the antiseptic ingredient, which is the chlorose lenol. Okay, so just wait and mix it. You mix it and allow it to stay, and lo and behold, you have your antiseptic multi-purpose liquid soap. Thanks so much for watching. See you in my next video. Please do not forget to like it, share it, and then hit that subscribe